Hello, Venus. I vividly remember this incident when I was in my 12th standard. One of the elder brother came to me and told me that dress up well, do well in your studies. You have to go to IITs. That was the first time when I was encountered with this word IIT. At that point of time, I was only knew that IITs are central government colleges and one of the prestigious institutes of our nation. I appeared for the JEE mains but was not able to crack it. At that point of time in my life, I was never thought in my wildest dreams that I will be an IIT in future. Later, I started my graduation in one of the private college of our district and soon realized the importance of IITs. Everyone was talking about luxurious package IITians get and I got to know about what it means to be an IITian. Now comes the second incident. When I was in my second year of graduation, one of the professors during his lectures told us that it's okay that you have missed the opportunity to do your graduations from IITs, but still you have one chance to be an IITian. He told us about GATE exam and how we can do our masters if we crack the GATE exam from IITs. The moment professor said that, those words went directly deep in my mind. After that incident, I made the decision that I will do my masters only from IITs and I started dreaming about IITs. This time, I was having a right mindset and inspiration to crack the GATE exam, which was not there when I was appearing for JEE mains. Very soon, I started figuring out the best roadmap to prepare for the GATE exam and started asking our seniors, but got disappointed by knowing that no one was preparing for it because everyone had a strong belief that cracking the GATE exam is very difficult and it's not a cup of tea of students who are from private college. So before cracking the GATE exam, I had to crack this belief. And I'm very carefully using this word cracking the belief because since last 9 years, there was no any single student which was able to crack the GATE exam from our college. So it was not easy for a student like me. Let me tell you something about myself. I was not sincere in college. I was bunking the classes frequently and got marks which are enough to pass the exam. So here I want to tell you one thing. If you want to achieve anything, first of all, you have to start believing in yourself. And when no one was believing in me, I started believing in my dream of becoming an IITian. I started believing in myself. So with this strong belief in mind, I started preparing for GATE exam. We were group of 4 people and within the group of 4 people, we divided that into 2 and 2 subgroups. It was not easy for us because since last 9 years, there was no any single student who was preparing for GATE exam from our college. So we had to start from scratch. By it all went like collecting the material, preparing the self notes, contacting the students of other colleges for test series and some material which is available online. There were 2 or 3 professors from our college constantly supported and helped us to prepare effectively for GATE exam because they knew the importance of this exam. I prepared for the GATE exam for around 7 to 8 months and within this time span there were lots of situations where I felt stuck. There were lots of setbacks came in this journey. But as I was having a strong mindset and a strong belief to do that thing, I never thought for a single time that I will quit this. So after preparing for 7 to 8 months, I gave GATE exam in 2019 and cracked it and admitted to IIT Kharagpur in July 2019. The whole objective of making this video is to tell you that if an average student like me can crack the toughest exam like GATE, then anyone can do it. No matter what you're doing in your life, if you have a strong belief and a strong mindset, and if you are willing to put right amount of time, right amount of resources, and right amount of efforts in that thing, you will definitely get that thing. And finally, I want to thank you, all those friends and all the professors who really helped me a lot during my GATE preparation. And at last, as a storyteller, I strongly believe that there is someone in the audience who needs this story